Most business owners are confused. They think bookkeeping and accounting are the same thing. That mistake is costing them money every single day. Bookkeeping equals daily transactions, sales and expenses. Accounting equals interpreting and analyzing and reporting financial data. Bookkeeping is the foundation. Accounting is the decision-making layer. Now let's dive into the practical view. I'm showing you the practical examples of bookkeeping and money transaction also. This is the date and this is the description business transaction table. That's how this we are going to use this business transaction table. In this business, we have an opening balance with the description. The date is 1st June 2026. The opening balance, this is the income. The income into the business is 50,000 naira. At that day, we do not have any other expenses. That is, our balance is 50,000 naira. The 2nd of June 2026, we have a POS sales 20,000 naira. There is no still an expenses. Our balance is 70,000 naira. We're going to record. On 3rd of June 2026, we have goods purchase. We purchase goods worth 10,000 naira. That's an expenses. That's an expenses. 10,000 naira minus our previous balance 70,000 naira is equals to 60,000 naira. On 4th of June 2026, we have sales of 15,000 naira. So you know our former balance was 60,000 naira. This 60,000 naira. So when we are calculating this 60,000 naira plus this 15,000 naira is going to give us 75,000 naira. On 5th of June 2026, we make an expensive electricity bill worth 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira minus 75,000 naira is going to give us 70,000 naira. That is, our balance is 70,000 naira. So we want to know our total balance and our total expenses, our total income. So we want to know your total sales or your total balance. So we are going to now to know our total balance, our total expenses, our total income. So I'm going to teach you a two formula and two way you can take and understand your total formula, an easy way and the hard way also. First of all, you press an equals to sum. You press sum, open bracket, you select the column, you close your bracket and you click enter. Which our total balance is 325,000 naira. So the same thing applies to our total expenses. So we are going to press equals to sum, open bracket, you want to put your cost flow at the first column, drag it to the last column and you close it and you hit enter. It's 15,000 naira. We make 15,000 naira expenses. So we are going to know our total income. Same thing applies. You press equals to sum, open bracket, you put your first column at the first day, that is the first 50,000 naira, and you drag it down. You close your bracket and click enter. That is all. So I'm going to teach you at the simplest, easiest way. So in the simplest, easiest way you are going to use. So let us delete this and go to the simplest, easiest way if you don't want to use this formula. So we are going to click and put our custom here. You come here, you see auto sum. You click here, you see sum average count. So we press sum, it gives us the total sum. When we click put our custom at the totals of expenses, we come here and click sum, it sum everything. When we put our custom at the total of income, it's also, when we come at the sum, it gives us our total income. Our next video, I will show you the exactly who actually needs bookkeeping, even though they think they don't need bookkeeping. So I will also show you to like this video, share it with your accounting friend, and share to your business owner, and share to your partners. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.